Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrington, Sydney. I've got a Porsche 996. In the previous video we showed you what we were doing, removing the engine with the IMS bearing to be replaced, but just want to show you how bad the leak from this rear main seal and the actual jack shaft seal bracket. So the clutch is pretty worn. You can see it's touching the actual rivets. It's already starting to grind there, so we need a new clutch, new pressure plate, and possibly machine the flywheel and recheck from there. But I'm going to replace the IMS bearing on Monday. This is Saturday today, and then the other stuff, we're gonna put a new oil pump drive. But the top part's all done. As you can see, it's nice and clean compared to before. New oil cooler, new pipe, breather pipe goes to here, and it goes to new separator, and then we're going to change the actual new vent line and new rubber as well. Alright, we're going to flush the power steering system before we actually put everything back together. Alright, new coils, new spark plugs and new spark plug tubes inside there. That one. Alright. New pulley, new tensioner at the back there. That one there. So we're gonna put the bolt in. Alright, this is the intake manifold. We just finished cleaning the whole lot, and I'm going to put a new gasket between there and there because they leak all the time, causing misfire. Nice and clean, ready for install. I'm going to put the new lines. I've got new lines. I'm going to make up new lines because I've got new one of these plastic ones. They are too old, otherwise they'll crack and break, like this one here. Yeah, getting very close to bring the gearbox back in. Engine should be back in on Monday, roughly, maybe Monday or Tuesday. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.